How well do you like fish stew? Join me as I make this homemade delicious fish stew. I used mala fish for this stew. You can use any fish of your choice. Let's season our fish. I've added onion, salt, seasoning, and I added my dish spice. You see, this my dish spice is a game changer. Try it out while cooking yours. All right. Now we've put our fish on fire after adding water to it, and let's cut our veggies. You can use any veggies of your choice, but I use carrots and I use green beans. Okay. Now our fish is ready. I brought it down because I want to air fry the fish. All right. This is me bringing that from the pot to air fry it. All right. Now, I've added it to my air fryer and I've set that aside. I added granite oil to the pot and I added my onion, right? Yeah, I added my onion and this is me adding my fresh tomatoes. I used only fresh tomatoes for this fish stew, all right? You can use tin tomatoes if you wish or if you want to add tin tomatoes to it. Of course, you can add tin tomatoes to it. And this is me stirring the stew well to make sure the fresh tomatoes is well mixed. I've added my spice again for the stew, and this is me adding my seasoning for the stew. Okay, now after that I added this fish that I set aside. Why I added this fish? Because I wanted to give me that fish taste, so I added it and I pieces it in the stew. And this is me adding my fish stock. That is the stock I got from the fish. All right, I pounded my crayfish and I set that aside, and this is me going back to check my fish. As you can see, my fish is well dried. Yeah, it's dried as I want it. All right, you can dry it as much as you want it, but this is okay for me. Now this is me putting back my crayfish into the stew. I added salt to the stew. All right, and this is me pouring back the fish. You pour back your fish into the stew. Yeah. Now I poured it back, I covered it up because I want the fish to cook. After that, this is my veggies. I added my green beans first into the stew. I added my carrots, all right. I stirred it properly. Yeah, after adding the veggies, I stirred it properly and I covered it up for it to cook for a little bit, all right. And as you can see, our stew is ready. Our stew is ready, all right? So guys, hope you guys will be trying this out. If you do, please drop it in the comment section, the outcome of your stew. Please don't forget to always comment, like, share our videos, all right? See you guys till we come your way next time. Enjoy.